In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a file's location on Google Drive in just a few easy steps. This guide is particularly useful if you're managing a lot of files and sometimes struggle to remember exactly where you've stored everything. By the end of this, you'll be able to quickly identify the exact folder location of your files in Google Drive. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the homepage of your Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar or by clicking on the Drive icon if you have it bookmarked or saved in your Apps panel. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a list of all your files, organized according to your last sorting preference. This view usually defaults to your most recent files or the ones you favorited next. Locate the file for which you want to determine the storage path. Once you've found it, position your mouse cursor over the file and right-click. A context menu will appear full of options that allow you to interact with your file in different ways. This menu is very handy for many file management activities. From this menu, look for an option labeled File Information. It may be located towards the bottom of the list, so don't worry if you don't spot it immediately. Hover over this option. Sometimes additional options or information will appear to help confirm you're selecting the right choice. Now, click on the option labeled Show File Location. Google Drive will automatically redirect you to the file's location on your drive. This is the magic moment. Instead of searching through various folders, you are instantly taken to the exact folder where the file resides. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how easy it is to show the location of any file within Google Drive. Knowing how to do this can save a significant amount of time and hassle, especially if your drive is filled with countless documents. This method is not only quick, but incredibly useful when you need to verify a file's location without hunting through numerous folders. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to understand. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and handy tech tips. Until next time, thank you for watching and have a great day managing your files. Happy managing.